Hi, this is the OPPO A2x and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's first open the settings app and then tap to the Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi auto turns off, you should click to the switcher. After that, you'll see here all of the available networks. Just select one from the networks and here we should enter the password. Then just tap to OK on the right upper corner and we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and here you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. Tap on this icon to activate Wi-Fi, also turn it off, and to launch Wi-Fi settings, click here to more, and by the same way select the network, enter the password and connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.